Today we're going to be showing you the CarpetMaster 215. The CarpetMaster 215 is a dual motor upright vacuum cleaner. This particular model comes in three sizes. It comes in a 12-inch, 15-inch, and also an 18-inch. Let's start at the top of the machine. What you notice at the top is we have this ergonomically designed handle. The thing with this is that we've found that most workers get fatigue. It happens in their wrists, so we've designed it to give you the least amount of stress possible. Also with this handle, it is adjustable. We have two settings. Right now we've got it in the lowest setting. That would be the highest setting. Another advantage to this handle is for safety, if you want to keep the machine or somebody that's not authorized using it, then you have the ability to take the handle off, and then it makes it very difficult to vacuum floors. Now let me show you our safety cord. This is a 50-foot yellow safety cord. One of the problem areas that most people have with their cords is the actual in the head of the unit. There's a lot of pressure that's put on that. They have a tendency to pull the wires out, which obviously requires a service call. We've done something very simple on this cord restraint. If you follow what I'm doing here, I'll show you exactly how easy it is to eliminate any issues. So you notice I've looped it through the actual handle itself. When I lift this up, no pressure. As we move down, you notice the wand on the side of the machine. What we have done is that we've hidden all of the attachments behind this wand, which I'll show you. What you will see out there in most commercial vacuum cleaners is that they have attachments. Sure, they all come with them, but the problem is that they're attached to the outside of the machine. They could be on the back, or they could be on the front, and they end up getting lost very, very quickly. So what we've done is we've concealed them so they don't ever fall off. You don't have to worry about somebody walking away with them. All you have to do is take the wand off. In the back here, we store our dusting tool. We also have a place to store two bags. And we have our crevice tool. And you notice, once I put the wand back in, there's really no way for them to fall out. Let's talk about filtration. On this unit, this is a triple filtered machine. We start out with our first filter, which would be our bag. If you notice the bag, it's very easy to remove. You just pull this down and it slides out, and you can slide it back into place. Something that's nice with this machine is that we have a bag lockout. What happens is if somebody tries to use this machine without the bag in place, you're not able to close the door. Our secondary filter is located just above the vac motor. This filter is there to protect the vac motor if the bag breaks. What's nice about this is that every 5 bags you're to replace this. We send 2 of these in a pack of 10 bags. They also come with a scent chip. You just stick that back into place. And then the most important filter is our last filter. This is our HEPA filter. Not HEPA-like, it's an actual certified HEPA filter. This comes standard with every vacuum cleaner we sell. Let me show you the brush. We utilize a chevron style brush for cleaning. The nice thing about a chevron brush is that it's bringing all the debris from the left and the right to the point of intake. If you notice how I turn this, everything is flowing to this point of intake. Okay? Now brush maintenance is very important, so we make it very easy for you to remove the brush, and you do that just a click, and it pulls right out. Gives you the opportunity to clean off any kind of obstruction that you may have. Put it back into place, slides in, and locks. Other problem areas as we're picking up debris happen to be in the 90 degree on the back of the machine. We've made this very, very easy for the operator to clean out. All you have to do is take the wand off, pull your crevice tool off, and it pulls out. This will give you a clear view of the obstruction all the way to the brush itself. On the CarpetMaster 215, as well as the 12 and the 18-inch, we have an obstruction light at the top of the machine. What this light will do is indicate to you if there's any obstruction within the airflow of the machine. It could be 2 things. You could have a full bag, or again, you could have something clogged, and most times it happens in that 90 degree that I showed you earlier. Also on the front of the machine, we have a red and green light. These red and green lights will indicate when the brush is properly set on the floor. The adjustment of the brush on the front is done at the front of the machine. You have the ability to take it up or to take it down. Let's go to turning the machine on. When you engage the power on the top of the machine, this will turn on the vac motor. Since this is a dual motor machine, the brush motor will only roll once the foot pedal is engaged. That activates the actual brush. So the machine will not set on the carpet running the brush when the vac motor is being used for detail work. As you engage the foot pedal, the brush will engage. You notice the low profile? You have the ability to get underneath beds. You also have the ability to get underneath some tight desks. You notice we give you several options for your cord wrap. You have the ability to hang it on the back of the handle, which some people like. Personally, I prefer to hang it on the front of the handle. That way it's easy to carry and control. We also have the option with the cord wrap latch in the back.